So you constantly want to use topographic data, and again the best thing is use OpenTopography, but from within QGIS. So first what I want to do is install a plugin that downloads SRTM data from QGIS. Again, plugins, manage and install SRTM, and I install it. If I go to plugins again, I can see my plugin, and let's say I want to download topography for the whole canvas. I press set as canvas extent, and it's looking for an API key. Where do I obtain it? I first have to create an account in OpenTopography, which I did. I log in, and here I have an API key, which I paste here, and I can simply download the data and load it to QGIS. So in some temporary folder, I could specify a folder. I will now pause and resume once the download is complete. And as you can see, it's completed. Welcome. Have fun.